Good morning, everyone. Today see about slideways, different types of slideways. Okay, so first, what is slideways? We'll see that one. So, in conventional machining tools, we have studied about slideways. So, there is a direct metal to metal contact between the slideways. So, slideways are nothing but they are used for moving here and there for loading and unloading purpose. So, the metal to metal contact between the slideways and the movable slides. So those are called movable slides. The side movements are very slow. They will be having very slow and machine utilization is also low. This arrangement is adequate for conventional machining. So this type of adjustment and moving of the slideways is used in conventional machining tools. Okay. Next, slideways is more in CNC machine. So these are used in more in CNC machine because of rapid movement and high machine utilization. Because of rapid movement and high utilization, so the work will go on fast. So rapid movement and high machine utilization, for that purpose we use slideways. Because when the machine start, once the machine start, it won't be stopping. So it will be rapid movement only. The conventional type of arrangement which metal to metal contact does not meet the requirement of new. So the metal to metal contact between the, there will be slideways contact between the two metals. The design of the slideways in CNC machine tools are different types. See, reduced friction, it reduces friction. Next, reduces wear out. Next, satisfies the requirement of movement of the slides. It also satisfies means more loading and unloading, some like that things it satisfies. Next, improve smoothness of the drive. There will be smooth drive. So this is about slideways. Okay. Next, so this is wise. This is the slideway moving here and there. The here shaft is given, two shafts. The wise will move here and there. This is one type of slideways. Next, type of slideway. Different types of slideways. See, what are different types of slideway? V-type slideways, round slideway, dovetail slideways, flat slideways. So these are the four different types of slideways we have. So first one is what? V-type slideways. What is that? V-type slideways means these are the advantages of V slides slideways. First we see because of the automatic adjustment due to gravity action which allows us keeping the surface in contact. So this will keep the surface in contact. The adjustment done in the gravitation action. And means down the machine the V-type slideways are arranged. These are the advantages because of automatic adjustment due to gravitation which allows keep the surface in contact the position. So to keep in certain position of adjustment due to gravity, we use V slide waves. Okay, next round slide waves. What is this? Round slide waves fulfill the condition of kinematic prime principles bearing fully constrained. So it do the work of kinematic principle considering fully constrained. These guidelines are used in pillar or radial drilling machines. So these are used in drilling holes like drilling holes, rapid hole drilling machines, all those threadings, all those things used in round sliding. So what is this? Fulfill the condition of kinematic principle bearing. So this fulfills the kinematic principle of bearing to put the certain guidelines for doing rapid drilling machines. Okay, so that is the work of round slideways. Next, dovetail slideways. What it does, so this is the picture of dovetail slideways. Okay, horizontal machining center this here. So this is the tool and spindle is rotating, keeping the on the flat of the workpiece. This one, y-axis, z-axis, x-axis moving. So this is one type of Dovital slideways. Okay. So Dovital slideways are performed when the location of the moving part is considered essential. So when the moving part means moving the tool or moving the workpiece like that, consider essential, they are generally used for milling machines. So this is used in milling machine, milling machine tables, saddles, and knees in Dovital types of slideways. Adjustment for wear can be made by parallel blocks pushed by set screws. Dovital slides occupy small space. So this occupies very less space. This Dovital joint is used in milling machine like table adjustment, saddles, and knees in Dovital slideways adjustments. So this is used in milling machine to adjust certain things like saddle, knees, table adjustment, like that things. Okay, these are the slideways. Next, last one is flat slideways. What does do flat slideways? This flat slideways is simple in construction and offer quick large bearing area. So what it do? It do the work construction very quick and large bearing area to the moving part. So to for moving the part, this flat slideways is useful. These therefore to overcome the disadvantages of V type slideways. So what are the disadvantages of disadvantages are in V block that it will fulfill flat type slideways. So flat type slideways by the advantages of the flat type slideways. So this is the advantages flat type slideways in milling machine. So moving the parts very quickly to overcome the disadvantages, whereas in V club this is very disadvantage. So in flat type that is advantage. Okay, so that is the flat slideways. Next, so we have seen now types of slideways. Okay, V type slideway, round slideway, Dovital slideway, flat slideways. Next one, demerits of conventional ways. What are the demerits of conventional? Nothing but disadvantages of conventional machines. So what are those disadvantages of conventional machine? Large amount of surface in contact. So it needs large amount of surface, large amount of area, large amount of friction, very slow in motion. So it is very slow, large space required is more, friction is more, high amount of lubricant required. Lubricant required is very more easy, early wear and tear, very less time the machine will be wear and tear, less accuracy. All these are some disadvantages of conventional of slideways. So first one, what is more area required, more friction, very less motion required is very high amount of lubricant occupies is more, next wear and tear, less accuracy. So these all are uh, what is that demerit and conventional of slideways. Next, requirement of CNC slideways. What are the requirements of CNC? So some requirements are there in CNC, like the requirement of CNC slideways may be high sliding speed. Suppose speed is very high. Next, high feed rate. So high feed rate is very high. Next one, high feed rate, elimination of slip sticks phenomena, elimination of friction, minimize wear and tear. So these are the requirements of CNC when the CNC machine is running. So sliding speed is more is compulsory. Next, feed rate we should give, eliminating the slip sticks. Any slip stick then we should eliminate that. Eliminate friction, minimize wear and tear. These are the requirement of CNC. So this is some picture of, this is tailstock Dovital picture. This is Dovital joint working. This is tailstock. Next here is Dovital. Can be accuracy movement because in radio of 12 keys, it seems. This is of 12 keys. It has 12 tools. This is milling machine. This is also milling machine of dovetail joint. Okay, these are some pictures of dovetail joint machines. Next, types of CNC slide ways. What are the types of CNC slide ways? So here we have seen requirement why we need the slide ways in CNC machine. So for high sliding speed, high feed rate, eliminating stiffness, eliminating friction, for these we use slide ways in CNC. So there are different types of slide ways in CNC machine. What are they? Hydrostatic slide ways, linear bearing slide ways, next linear bearing roller or needles, next surface coating. These are four different types of CNC slide ways. First one is hydrostatic slide wave. What is that hydrostatic slide wave? So first we'll see this. What is it? So understood this one, working of CNC. So these are the why, what are the requirements? There we have seen only requirements. Why we need this requirement of CNC? So for this requirement is for mainly guideway should have highly, first one is that first point, guideway should have high rigidity. Next, the surface of guideways must have greater accuracy and surface finish. Next, guideway should have high accuracy of traveling. So for this is the requirement in CNC. So for high rigidity, next surface finish is accuracy, next high accuracy in travel. These three are required for in requirement of CNC. Next, different types of CNC slide wheel. Hydraulic slide wheel, linear bearing slide wheel. Next, linear bearing with roller needle surface coating. So these are the four different types of CNC slide wave. First one is hydrostatic slide wave we see. So what is hydrostatic slide waves? In this, the bearing surfaces are separated by a lubricating film or liquid or gas forced between the surfaces by any external pressure. So for first one we'll separate this what is this lubricating film will be there to separate that a liquid of gas forced between the surface by the external pressure. So to separate that, surface pressure is forced. The pressure is generally generated by the external pump. So by forcefully if we apply that, the generally by external pump it enters into external pump instead of by viscous drag. This is called this is how the working of CNC hydraulic slide wave works. So what it does, bearing surface are separated by lubricating. So different types of lubricatings are separated by lubricating film or liquid or gas forced between the surface by an external pressure. So due to the external pressure, the different types of bearings will be separated. From there, the pressure is generated by an external pump. From there, it is generated to the pressure is generated to the pump instead by viscous drag. So, how it is pumped? By viscous drag, the pressure is pumped. This is one type of hydraulic slide wave. Next, linear bearing slide wave is there. What is that linear bearing slide wave? So linear bearing slide wave is nothing but the sliding friction due to the direct metal to metal contact. Due to the so sliding metal have direct metal to metal contact between the slide and the slide waves. So is replaced with the rolling friction. So it is replaced with the rolling friction by the use of anti-friction balls or rollers. It can be used by rollers or ball bearings. So a linear ball bearings used reciprocating balls within the bushes type of bearing. So the bearings will be in the bushes. So that will move the slide waves linearly. These are the some run along the precision grounds. So these bearings will move in linearly. The main characteristics of linear roller bearing is that there is a continuous roller. So continuous rolling circulation with the allowing the unlimited linear motion. So the rollers will be moved continuously without any halt. A linear roller bearings also called as a Tycro waves. So it a roller bearing inside which the slide waves that are also called as Tycho waves. From that only the slide waves name has come. Considering of 100 and precision growth. So the number of ball bearings will be unlimited. So that there won't be any problem in linear bearing. Elements of that number of cylindrical rollers. In case of roller bearing, the rollers are guided between shoulders of the supporting element. So the side between two sliding way, there will be a shoulder to support the slide gaze element with very close tolerances. Okay, the guiding element prevents the rollers from falling out of the slide way. So this is one type of linear bearing, ball bearing and linear roll bearing. So ball bearing is one different roller. Here we have linear balls. We don't have rollers. That is what is that called? Bearings. In rollers we have bearings. That is the only difference. Surface coating. What is this surface coating? Next one. So in CNC machine, the guide the guiding surface of the machines are sometimes coated with low friction. Okay, sometimes low friction material such as polytetrafluorochloride, fluoroethylene. So PTFE, it is short form. So this friction material is very less coated with low friction material such as polytetrafluoroethylene or replaced by strips or low friction materials are used. When the strips were to such an extension that time the alignment is in the error, then these can be replaced. So when the flow low friction, the material will be coating will be go. That time they are used for polytetrafluoroethylene so that the strip can be at low friction, the materials are used. At that time these materials can be used. When the strips were to such when strips wear out or they go out to such an extension, that time the alignment is in error. So when there is an strip when it coating will remove, that time the alignment in the error, these can be replaced. That is surface coating. Okay, so this is hydraulic slide ways. So this is housing hydraulic spur gears. These inside there gears are there. Next one is low pressure with low pressure motor leads fixtures. These are the some parts of the hydraulic gauges, hydraulic slideways. So the hydraulic slideways need a very large surface area to provide adequate support. So this is one disadvantages of hydraulic slideway, need more area. So here also hydraulic lubricant, how it takes place. Hydraulic lubricant. So what is this purpose of hydraulic lubricant? How it works? This picture. So it separates. What it do? It separate the separation of the conjugate surfaces of a kinematic pair by means of a film of fluid which is pressurized by a external piece of inequality in lubrication. Inequality in lubrication are applied to produce low friction. So in case of hydraulic lubricant, separate conjugates means whenever we get some problem in kinematic pairs by means of a film or fluid, that time the pressurized by the external piece in equipment, lubrications are applied. At that time lubrications are applied to the produced low friction wave. Okay, whenever any pair get filamented or flow kinematic is slow, that time these equipments are used to lubricate or applied for the low friction wave. Okay, this is the hydraulic lubricant. Linear bearing, linear bearing was we have seen. So linear bearing means moving the slideways. All the main characteristics of the linear roller bearing, instead of that, a lubricant roller bearings also called as tie chrono. This is used considering the 100 number of ball bearings. In case of roller bearing, the rollers are guided between the shoulder and supporting elements. Okay, this is one type of linear bearing and linear roller. Okay. So this is reciprocating ball screw, how it works. See diagram of reciprocating ball screws. So inside there will be ball screws. This is linear slideways moving here and there. This is also linear slideway picture. Next, surface coating we have seen. When the strips were to such an extension that alignment is error, then we can replace this one, surface coating. Okay, alternatively, replacement strips of low friction materials are used. The guided surface of the machines are sometimes coated with low friction metals. Okay, so this is the coating, surface coating. See here, this is the surface coating. So whenever the wearness goes out, then the some error like the strips will be occurred to replace that strips. Okay, so today what we have seen, slide waves. Okay, slide waves. What are different types of slide waves? So what is slide wave actually? In conventional machine, the material, the there is a direct metal to metal contact. Okay, direct metal to contact between the slide waves and the moving table, that is called slide wave. Okay, the slide wave moves area conventionally machine tools. Slide waves must more used in CNC machine. So that is slide waves. Different types of slide wave we have seen. What are those different types of slide wave? V type slide waves, round type slide waves, orbital sine waves. Next, flat slide waves. Next, we have seen types of slide waves. Next, the types of slide waves. Next, there are three different types of slide waves in CNC machine. That is hydrostatic slide waves, linear bearing with bars and rollers, linear bearing with rollers, surface coating. All these things we have seen. Next, demerits of the conventional of slide waves. Also we have seen requirement of CNC machine. So demerits, requirement of CNC machine also we have seen. Why we required CNC machine slide wave, high frequency, high speed rate, all are more in this. So to eliminate all this, elimination of friction, there are different types of slide waves also. Okay, so today what we are studying, slide waves, different types of slide waves, and demerits of conventional dance. What is that? Slide waves. Next, different types of CNC slide waves, hydraulic, linear. Next, reciprocating ball screws and rollers, surface coat. Okay, so this is our today's class. By this we'll end it here. Next class we'll continue. Okay, thank you very much.